what people usually do with image creation, it's what we just told you, and it's creating a simple prompt of a single line with not doing the research, the mood board, analyzing what you want, what is the brand looking for, and that kind of stuff. So that's what you don't do. You have to do every single step that we're giving you right now. That's the way we do it, and that's the way we have results like this. This was a chocolate brand, and as you can see, it's really, really, really good. We have the texture of the skin on the mouth, on the lips.
The brown chocolate.
The chocolate and everything inside the chocolate. The lighting is real good. Everything is really, really good, and that's what we wanted in this picture and in this campaign, was having a really good macro shot of the chocolate, because sometimes trying to do this in a studio and the lighting just gonna melt the chocolate, so it's not gonna get this good. And for this kind of brands, that's really good because you just don't have to do all the products for the shots. You only need to have one medium of quality photo, and then you can have a completely campaign around that chocolate or that product that you want to have. So, what we do when we're creating the images for the brands or the images for whatever idea we have is, um, yeah, what we told you. And the things that we ask ourselves when we get the image is, does it feel real? Does match the original idea that we had in mind? And does it belong in the same visual world as the other pieces? And when we talk about the other pieces, is the same campaign we're doing and the kind of product that the brand is actually doing for their content and their social media. So that's really important, that sometimes you don't have to make the prompt for the complete image again. You can do like edit the same image in the platform that you're using. For example, Photoshop, OpenArt, or Highfield have these specifically thing that you can just like erase a thing and change it for another. So here, if you want to change, I don't know, the shape of the teeth, you just like draw on the teeth and you tell to the platform like, change the shape of the teeth, and you can do it without having to do all the image again. So that's what we do when we are working on the final touches of an image, or if we wanted to make it again, that's what we do.
This is that every campaign needs these five angles. This is like a more technical part of the campaign and the studio and the creative part of the campaigns and the product. Because as you see, everything is possible. Basically, everything is possible. You want a hero shot that looks like a photo studio picture with flowers, with all the, how do you say, the props in a photo, you got it. You want a macro detail of the texture of the ingredients, you got it. You want a lifestyle where a people can talk about your product, or basically a people, a woman, a man, a kid with your product in the hand, you got it. UGC style, you got it, because we can show you, what we have doing with UGC, or for example, when we use real people, and these are the type of results. This is, like I said, the lifestyle products, the normal people products that are not like campaigns like with a photo studio or something like that. This is, for example, a one that for a restaurant, for food. Look, tell me please, who are going to tell you no, this is AI? Is amazing, the AI result. This is completely serious, and there is no limits for the AI. Now you can do complete commercials now, because in the, what are you seeing in this moment in the screen is a complete AI commercial. That nothing, you can use kits. That is something that, for example, we love. If you are in the filmmaking, in the campaign, in marketing, you know that recording with kids, photo with kids, it's like a problem. Not a problem, but it has a lot of stuff, permissions, father signatures. You obviously have to pay to the kids, that is completely out now with the AI. Real estate, I mean, if you really want to make money with AI, whatever type of business you want, you can do it.
Cars, you can actually work for every brand or every niche or everything that you want, as you saw in the last images or videos that we show you. You can do whatever you want. You can use lifestyle thing, you can use UGC hero shots and that kind of stuff, or creative stuffs like this one and that kind of thing, like Monat. This was another work that we did with them, but this is more like a educational video. So yeah, but yeah, so this is really getting on right now, and you have to understand how this is working, how you can approach brands, how you can understand and talk to the platforms and the engines and everything to get real good results. And now we have influencers, AI influencers, and they're making real money real fast, and it's using the same system. They have to understand the model, the creating, the the public that they're gonna talk about, the communication and everything, the kind of thing that this model or this influencer wanted to do, and just put it into work with brands. You're just gonna replicate the model and change the product every time. So this is the real stuff, and it's working every single day in the present. So well, we're talking about what kind of different images we're talking about. So the hero shot. The hero shot is this picture that everything is a product. So you just build a world around the product and make it look good, make it look luxury, make it look with a good background and with a good lighting. So that's it. UGC style, as we were telling you, this is something that actually is now moving real good on AI content right now. So every brand needs UGC. And sometimes UGC with real people is high cost, and you possibly will not gonna get the same results that you can have with UGC because you can control everything the model is gonna say, everything the model is gonna look, and that's it. Lifestyle, the same thing. So here we have a protein thing in a cake and a swimwear brand, and it looks really good, super real, and that's it. It's just using the platforms in a way that you can have a really good results with the brands or with the imagination that you have for whatever you want.
Of course, if you start with this type of business, with this type of creations, for example, if you are never have taking a image, making an image or a video, don't hope like to be this type of result, because this type of result is because there's like a journey of proof, of trying and trying and trying until final you get this result. I mean, maybe if you want to have the result then of look this masterclass, maybe you could do it because you already know how is the process too. But don't get this angry, don't get sad if you don't get the results, because AI is amazing, but AI obviously is not perfect. So AI in many occasions, in this moment I can't show you the times where AI doesn't give us the results. But for example, look at these examples, how we are going to compare that with the first I showed you at the beginning. For example, this one. Obviously, the difference is absolutely. At the moment, we thought that this was amazing, and maybe it is. Maybe a brand could stay by this type of AI, and this is where we begin. And now, pues, as you see, these are the actual results.
Results.
So don't give up with the AI. Do it, repeat it. AI obviously is going to get wrong results, but at the moment, for example, because AI is evolving every time, so as uh, as we our knowledge is evolving, AI too. So for example, I can set completely that the AI results that AI give us like 3 months ago, 5 a year ago, doesn't have anything with the today results. So as you evolve, your knowledge evolve, your ability evolve, AI is going to evolve too.